This is the Keurig K-Supreme coffee maker. It uses single-serve K-cups found at the grocery store. Some great features are its multi-stream technology, an opportunity to customize your cup to make it hot or cold, and has a 66-ounce dual-position reservoir that helps free counter space and makes refilling easy. My favorite thing about this product is a customizable option. You can choose exactly how strong you want your tea or coffee. I also love how quick it takes to warm up and get that heat going. I have my coffee in no time. I love my Keurig and I wouldn't trade it for any other coffee maker. This is the Keurig K-Supreme coffee maker.